tell about
Pagaralam,
you. Yeah,
having fun at Joy's salon with everybody,
yeah.
and going around on the motorbike, and have some nice food.
Yeah.
Yeah, and lots of coffee here, and the big mountain in the background. What is the name of the mountain?
Dempo Mountain.
Temple Mountain. Oh, it's so big. Big. It rained a lot. Yeah. Well, it's raining a little bit, but and a little bit cold. So they give me a jacket to wear. Yeah. And nice people. Everybody smile all the time.
Of course.
Yeah. And people speak a little bit of English, so it's okay. You can come here and have good time, no problem.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
My
Thank you
pleasure.
so much.
My pleasure. Thank you.
はい、こんにちは。こんにちは、こんにちは。はい、パガララームに到着しましたよ。そして、ザ・ティープランテーションへ来ました。ここはですね、マウンテンですね。はい、1820メートル標高の場所で今撮影しておりますが、はい、すごい景色もよく、空気もよく、素晴らしい人たちと囲まれて、また今日という日を楽しんでおります。はい、インドネシアからパガララムからでした。はい、どうも。
Thank you.
And interesting any place interesting because it's a great experience, and this experience not 1 month, not 2 months. It needs come again every year for meet with Indonesia again, because a lot of islands beautiful. Every island have culture, interesting people. Because, yeah, Indonesia great. I'm from big country. I'm from Russia. It's very big country, but Indonesia is number one of island country. Yeah, great. Om Namah Shivaya.
Yes. What the talking? Blah 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 blah.
Атмосферы пробивал, но не пробил туман. Но на шею бросили ярко солнечный огонь. Атмосферы Радио, не радио, теman.
What you feel now?
Ah, it's okay. You know, I enjoy it. No problem. It's a long time that people take care of my hair.
Cedric doing cream.
Thank you.
Oui, bonjour, je suis à Pagaralam, je suis avec mon amie Suzanne et je suis très heureux de faire un très bon voyage. Voilà. Allez, bonne suite à tous.
Hello, Jen.